I'm a big fan, by the way.
Thank you. Yeah, it's cool. Did you make that yourself?
I did. I built it myself. It uses the original 8-bit sound chip from the Commodore 64.
Oh, that's
So
awesome.
even the strings go through the Commodore 64 sound chip. Gives it that 8-bit sound. And then it's a keytar through here. You can change the wave shape for the strings and the keys.
My sister would love that. She loves bass.
So you can do the same thing with the strings.